In this video, I'll guide you step by step through removing backgrounds from images using the Luma-Loft background removal tool. Let's begin. First, open your Tools menu. Then, select the background remover from the list. This is where we'll do most of our work. Once inside the tool, click Upload Image. You can drag and drop your file, or simply choose an image from your file manager. After you confirm your file, click Remove Background. When your image is processed, you can instantly download the result. Check your downloads for your image with the background removed. Close the window when you're ready to return to your workspace. To use another editing tool or make advanced adjustments, send your current image to a new tool, or download the cutting line to guide cutting your photo after printing or engraving. Need to keep working? You can quickly switch projects, upload more images, and remove backgrounds as often as needed. Ready to start? Click Remove Background to let our tool instantly erase backgrounds from your photos. For more precise control, tap the Edit icon. Use the Restore brush to bring back details or adjust the brush size to target specific areas for a clean cutout. Easily switch between the Erase and Restore tools for fine-tuned background edits. Remove or bring back elements just as you want. When you're satisfied, hit Apply to confirm your changes. Your updated image will be automatically saved. After editing, keep an eye out for download notifications. Want to make more changes? Just hit Edit again, or download your final image with the background removed. You can also track downloads, export your image to other tools for further editing, or close the editor when you're done. For more photos, simply upload and select another file. Then hit Remove Background. The process is just as easy as before. Switch to Edit mode to make more adjustments. You can experiment with shape mask as well. To finish up, finalize your changes with shapes or by clicking Apply. Lastly, download your polished image and close the app window. You're all set. And that's how to remove any background from your images. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to catch more tutorials like this.